Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another video today, and I've been trying to make another video, but they keep glitching out because the audio doesn't work. But finally, I got everything dialed in. Hopefully it works this time, so let's get into it. So today, we're probably going to be doing some baling. So you guys remember last episode, we got some haying done. I'll show you what I have done. If we go around here, just southeast of here, I finished up a field. I've been working on baling it because I was doing a time lapse on the other video and then it started not working, so it's time to give it another try. So I'll put you guys on a time lapse to start out and we'll get some baling done, guys. Okay, we're just finishing this field up here. Just gonna finish up these little spots. Actually went pretty well. Didn't skip much. This baler's actually really nice. So we'll just get spin around here and I'll see you guys at the next field. Okay, so this guy is about done, almost done. I think he's done tedding here. So I'm gonna have him take the tedder back, and then we're gonna hook up the rake and get raking this. So I'll see you guys when we get the rake on. So I just got Jimmy in here on the rake. We're gonna have John go swath beside the farm while this guy goes here, and then we're probably gonna take this thing, this tractor, hook it up to the tedder, and then yeah, so I'll see you guys when we figure out what we're gonna do. So I guess he never finished this field over by this farm here, so I'm just gonna let him finish that. I'm pretty sure what we're gonna do, we're gonna go grab the rake he's not done with the rake yet. When he's finished with the rake, we'll get this all raked up and then we should be good. So I just got a call from the grain elevator, and they say they want to sample my corn because I saw it's pretty ready. So we're going to get the sample with this combine and see how it is. You guys, before we do combine, we're going to check the moisture with our moisture tester, and I still want to get out there and check the yield, so the batteries must be dead in it. Anyways, let's cut open some. I'll get you guys on a time lapse. Let you guys know when we got a full hopper. Well, we're just about full here. It's looking like we're about 98 right now. So we're just gonna pull out and probably fill the gravity wagons. Just like that. Then I might sample that soybeans with the 8820. I'm not quite sure yet. We might do a harvest like it's the 80s video. Let me know if I should do that down in the comment section. If it works this time. Hopefully it works this time. It doesn't always work. Anyways, see you guys when we're at the wagons. So as you guys saw, yield did pretty good when we started and yielded pretty good when we were at the top. It was filling pretty good in the hoppers, so these are good signs. We'll fill the gravity wagons here. And get her unloaded. Looks like we almost filled that second one. I think we'll wait to do the rest because the co-op wants a sample of it to see what they're just doing. My moisture thing said about it was pretty dry. It was like 18, I think, which is good for going. But anyways, I'm thinking let's pull out Let's pull out the 8820. Let's go grab the header trailer with this thing. This thing pulls it pretty well. We'll just head over there and get her out. Just like so. Just back her up here. There we go. Just rip her on out. We'll probably wash it when we're done. Taking a sample. Oh my god. But yeah, I got the soybean snouts, so we should be good. I was really curious to see what the yield would be on that field, so we'll get the header hooked up, and like that, the header is attached. Let's unfold it. There we go. Nearly hit Grandpa's shed there. Let's go over, take a sample. So I've never cut beans with this combine, so it's going to be a first for this. So let's stop, turn on the separator, header, and let's give her a try. Drop her down. And the auto guidance isn't working for some reason, so let's just go down field here. Run her about 6. Feels good. Let's go back there. Let's hop out and see what's on the ground there. Oh. Well, here when it started spreading, oh, it wasn't too bad. Can make a couple adjustments up there in the cab. But our moisture is about 14% coming in. The old moisture monitor says. So this should be a good crop. Not sure what our yield is, but the tank's filling pretty fast. So I'll see you guys when we have a full load. So it just got full. Looking at the yield map, it started getting good. As you could see where the soil's better this way because, well, it's yielding better here, and here, which it must be some better soil going this way, down to this way. I have to look at some samples, but yeah. I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.